Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Seminole County and east central Florida until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Winter Springs, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Tornado warning for the following counties: Seminole, Florida. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Seminole County and east central Florida until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Winter Springs, moving
Take cover now.
15 miles per hour.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
This dangerous storm will be near Oviedo and Lake Jessup around 4 p.m., Geneva around 4
Orlando.
p.m. Other
Oviedo and
locations
Lake Jessup
impacted
around
by
4
this
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
include
Geneva around 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
We would like to communicate
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Mullet Lake
The
Park.
National Weather Service in
Take cover
Melbourne
now.
has issued a tornado
Move to an
warning
interior
for
room on the
southeastern
lowest
Seminole
floor of a
County
sturdy
until
building.
4:15
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oviedo sirens are going off.
Bro, the first alert Melbourne issues is a tornado warning? Dude, I knew I should have put radios on KIH.
From your Lake Jet.
Dude, there was an SPS, but I didn't think they'd issue a tornado warning from that.
Bro, I literally jinxed it. I literally said they're going to tornado warning. I literally jinxed it.
Jeez. Well, yeah, I'm putting more radios on that. And I'm not counting the WPOZ relay because they didn't do headers, so I'm not gonna count that.
That's crazy.
I went outside to go to WXXL.
Oh, yeah, guys. 107.
Consider seeking shelter in.
Yeah. 1077 is the alternative station for 106.7. Okay. I'm putting radios on KIH just in case this happens again.
Afternoon, I'll do doors and
Do you know?
Because Oviedo is literally in the direct
rooms and may lead to localized.
Yeah.
There is no way their sirens are not going off.
Oh my gosh.
The 3 p.m. ups. Lightning can strike.
I jinxed this so bad.
Bruh.